Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be folding my IB94 blaster from it's the Mandalorian blaster. Yeah, I don't watch the show, but I thought it was pretty cool. So here it is. So, and also guys, please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. Okay. So first you need a square sheet of paper like this, and you want to make a boat base. So first you're going to fold a water bomb base, so you want to fold it in half like so, and then you want to fold it in half again. There's a hair there. And then you want to open up this pocket right here, and you want to fold that down like so. And then you want to flip it over to the other side like so, and do the same thing here. So you want to open up this pocket right here and fold that down like so. And then you want to fold this whole thing in half. Okay, so bring that corner right here up to the top edge. Okay, make sure it's in the middle. So the center crease line. Okay, and make a good crease right here. So you can sink this triangle inside. Okay, so you want to open that up, and you want to open up that whole area, which is the whole paper. And then you see that smaller square in the middle. You want to fold up all the side crease line like so. And now you see this triangle right here. You want to fold that triangle down like so, and fold this top triangle down as well. Okay. And now you want to fold this whole thing in half. So you see this bottom edge, you want to fold that right up to that top edge here. Okay, and now you want to kind of place it so the model looks like this. Okay, so the flat side, and here's the folded side, and the longer edge is on the bottom, and that shorter edge is on top right here, and the slant. Okay, and now you want to take this bottom piece right here, and from the center line you want to fold it right up to this corner right here. So if you look on top, there should be this corner right here on the short side. So if you look in the back, that corner right there. Okay, so bring this bottom piece from the center line all the way to that corner. Okay, okay, so it should be slanted like this, and you want to take the front piece right here, so on the bottom, and you just want to fold this piece all the way down. Okay, so from the center, So it should look like this. Okay, and now you want to fold in this triangle right here. So you want to pre-crease it first if you like. So you see where this corner is. So you want to fold this triangle up and make sure this edge lines up, and fold right where that triangle is. That corner is right there. Okay. Same thing with this one. So that corner, and make sure the edge lines up. Okay, and now you want to unfold them, and you want to open up this pocket and hide them inside this, and hide this one as well. Okay, and now if you look right here, underneath right here, there are these two corners right here, and there's a triangle right there. You want to fold these two corners down. So for the front one, simple. So you see this pocket on the inner pocket right here. You want to put your finger in right there, and you want to push that forward, and you want to bring the center line down to this crease line, this center line here. Okay, so bring this whole thing down like that, and make sure they both line up like that, and fold that down. And same thing on the back side, but since it's slanted like this, there should be a little bit of piece right here, but it's the same thing. So bring this corner and fold it all the way down. It might be a little bit more tricky to do too. Yeah, fold that down like that, and don't fold it all the way up, because you see this piece right here, it's because this piece is slanted out like this. Okay, so now fold that piece down, and now you want to bring that bottom edge to the top. Okay, just like that. And now you want to fold that triangle on the back. So you want to pre-crease it. So where that corner is, you want to fold that triangle in like that, and make sure the top edge lines up as well. And then you want to unfold. Then you want to open up this pocket and fold that right inside like that. Okay. And you're going to make a front sight in the front. So you want to fold this triangle where that corner is. Okay, and then you want to fold this edge right here to this front edge here. Okay, like that, so that triangle comes out on top. Okay, then you're going to fold this inside. So open up this pocket, fold up the outer crease line, and then fold the inner triangle in half, so that that center crease line is facing forward. Okay, and fold that down So it should look like this. Okay, and now flip it over to the back side, and you're going to fold this back so you see this edge right here, so that this piece flattens out. Okay, so bring this edge to the bottom of the barrel all the way down to this corner here, and try to make it so this side is kind of 90 degrees. It's not going to be perfect, it's going to have that little slant, but it's okay. So bring this edge down to the barrel. And now I'm going to make the sight. So if you look right here on the center line, this where this long piece meets this slant, you're gonna fold that right over to the center line right here where that triangle is. So there should be a crease line right here. So bring that right over there. So where that center crease line ends. Okay, and match it with this center crease line right there, as you can see. And then bring that crease line right there, that center crease line where it ends, and fold it all the way to the back edge. Okay, like that. And then you want to fold this whole square, this rectangle piece right here in half. So fold that up and fold the tip of that piece up for the rear sight. Okay, and then you're going to zigzag fold right here where this edge is. So fold this back and fold it back forward like this, and flip it over to the back side. And then let me see, you're going to fold a little bit of that edge in all the way to that front corner. Okay, and same thing on top, but you're going to stop at that front side. Okay, and you're going to fold a little bit of this top edge as well, right up to this piece right here. So fold a little bit of that barrel and fold that cone as well up to the front side. Okay, and then you're going to fold a little bit of this edge as well and leave a little bit of space in the back. So it should look like this. Okay, and you see this piece right here, you're going to fold that back, so open up this pocket and kind of flip that backwards. Okay, and fold that down. And then you're going to fold this edge kind of in thirds. So you want to fold that up, and you want to make sure this width of this equals the same width on top, the space on top. Okay. And you want to fold this corner down like that, and you want to pinch this corner and kind of fold that upward so it makes the trigger guard. And then you want to fold down the pistol grip, so you want to fold in the edge a little bit on up front and kind of shape that up, and fold a little bit of this top edge as well. Okay, kind of shape that up, and then you want to fold in this back corner as well. So here is the Mandalorian blaster. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.